had discussed numerical on the impact object. The pipe has a diameter of 20 mm and nozzle has 10 mm diameter. The discharge of 5 liter per second. If the atmospheric pressure 101 kilopascal, compute the force provided by the flange bolts to hold the nozzle. Figure as shown in below. Assume an incompressible steady flow. In this question, the pressure at section 2 will be given and discharge is 5 liter per second and diameter of pipe is 20 mm and diameter of nozzle is 10 mm. In this diagram, first portion is pipe, then bolt, then nozzle, then jet. Two sections, bolt section is 1 and nozzle output section is 2. Now D1 is equal to 20 mm, D2 is equal to 10 mm, pressure at section 2 is equal to P2 equal to 101 kilonewton per meter square. Discharge is equal to 5 liter per second, that is 0.005 meter cube per second. Areas A1 is equal to 3.1416 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. A2 is equal to 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter square. This is calculated area is equal to pi d square. Now, velocity at section 1 and 2 is given by V1 is equal to Q upon A1, that means 15.92 meter per second. Similarly, V2 is equal to Q upon A2. Q is 5 and A2 is given 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 5. That means V2 is equal to 63.66 meter per second. Now, pressure at section 1 is given by applying Bernoulli equation between section 1 and 2. You have P1 upon gamma plus V1 square upon 2G. That means pressure head at section 1 plus velocity head at section 1 is equal to pressure head at section 1 plus velocity head at section 2. That is P1 upon gamma is equal to 101,000 upon 9,810 plus 63.66 meters 66 squared upon 2 into 9.81 minus 15.92 square upon 2 into 9.81, which is equal to 203.93 meter. This is the pressure head at section 1. That means pressure is equal to multiply by gamma. That is P1 is equal to 2000.55 kilopascal. Now, force provided by the flange bolt to hold the nozzle. That means applying impulse momentum principle, impulse momentum equation. You have known that summation of F is equal to rho Q V2 minus V1. That means rho is the density, Q is the discharge, and V2 is the velocity at section 2, and V1 is the section velocity at section 1. That means summation of force is equal to rho Q V2, rho Q into V2 minus V1. Now, here P1 is 2000 into 5 into 10 to the power 3 into area is 3.141 into 10 to the power minus 4 minus V2 is equal to 101,000 into area is 7.85 into 10 to the power minus 5 minus force of bolt is equal to rho, that means 1000 into Q is 0.05 into V2 63.66 minus 15.92. That is, calculate the equation. Force of bolt is equal to 381.69 newtons. That's okay. Thank you.